We will now get into the 6 easy steps to buying, creating, and selling an NFT. My objective is to make things as easy as possible for you, so I've built a framework of 6 easy steps that will let you buy, create, and sell your NFTs. In fact, I've created a downloadable PDF that will help you actually print out and keep these 6 easy steps with you as you go through the process. In this lesson, I'm going to walk you through the 6 easy steps, and that way you'll understand exactly what you're going to be faced with as we go through the course and actually do it when we buy, create, and sell NFTs. For starters, I'm going to talk to you about how to buy an NFT. 6 easy steps are step 1. You have to select an NFT marketplace and open up an account. Now, popular NFT marketplaces include OpenSea, that's OpenSea.io, Rarible, that's Rarible.com, and Mintable, Mintable.app. So these are leading marketplaces where you can actually go and buy NFTs. Now, this is not the only marketplaces available. In fact, there are many others. There's Super Rare, there's Foundation, there's Known Origin. All of these are popular places where you can actually buy NFTs. There are also opportunities where you can buy NFTs of other kinds. So for example, pre-made NFTs such as CryptoKitties, or NBA Top Shot, which actually has the leading events from the NBA players. All of these are opportunities for you to buy NFTs, and these are all marketplaces where you would go, you open up your account. Step number 2 will be to connect your MetaMask wallet to your account. In the following lesson, I will tell you exactly how you can install MetaMask. MetaMask is a cryptocurrency wallet that lives on your browser, and it serves as a connection between your browser and these different marketplaces. You will learn exactly how it works in the following lesson. Now, once you have your MetaMask wallet, you need to fund it. What that means is you need to put in some Ether and other types of cryptocurrency that you may need when you actually want to buy these NFTs. MetaMask is actually a cryptocurrency wallet, and it will let you store Ether and let you spend that Ether when you're buying NFTs. You can do that because it lets your browser interact with these marketplaces. The next step is to explore the different NFTs that are available. You will have a lot of opportunities to look at different NFTs that people have been listing for sale, and you can select whichever one you want to buy. Once you find an NFT you want, you place your bid for the NFT following the marketplace rules. NFTs are sold on an auction basis in most cases, and what you do is you bid for the NFT and it goes through an auction process. Depending on the amount you bid, you may or may not get the NFT. The NFT goes to the highest bidder. So if you're the highest bidder, you will get the NFT. That is the 6 easy steps to buying an NFT. Now, I want to talk to you about what you can do so that you can create and sell your NFTs. So how to create and sell NFTs? Let's go through 6 easy steps for doing that, and many of them are similar. What you're going to see is that you need to select the marketplace that lets you create NFTs and open up an account. So basically, what you need to focus on is NFT marketplaces that will let you create your own NFTs, and then what you do is you open up an account. The options we're going to be looking at are OpenSea. OpenSea is the most popular NFT marketplace in the market. And Rarible is also very good, so is Mintable.app. Each one of them has different variations. We're going to go through all 3 so you can see the process of creating NFTs in the different marketplaces. The next step you're going to do is to connect your MetaMask wallet to your account and add funds to it. Again, MetaMask is your key to being able to interact with these marketplaces, and since it holds your Ether, you're going to be able to pay and buy the NFTs. Some marketplaces also take other coins. For example, USD coins, which is a cryptocurrency stable coin, you can actually use that as well. So depending on the cryptocurrencies that the different marketplaces take, you can store them inside MetaMask so that you can actually use MetaMask as your wallet to pay for your NFTs when you're minting new NFTs. The process of creating an NFT is called minting. So what you need to do then is prepare the content that you wish to mint as an NFT in order to upload it to your account. So if you're working with a video, you need to get the video, high quality, and upload it to your account. If it's a painting, you have to find a way to take pictures, set it up in a way that's a digital format that you can upload to your account. Whether it's a music piece, whether it's a video of you recording a performance art, whether it's actually any type of asset that you can actually turn into a digital format and you can upload to your account because you wish to mint it as an NFT. So once you've actually got your material inside the account that you're going to turn into an NFT, you will then pay the required amount to the marketplace in order to create or mint your NFT. Minting an NFT on the Ethereum blockchain can be expensive. As a result, many marketplaces are now offering a gas-free alternative for you to be able to create and mint your NFT without having to pay the gas fees associated. The amount will vary depending on the marketplace you're working on. Some of them will charge higher. Since we're dealing in many cases with Ether, the price of Ether has gone up considerably. Since the price of Ether has gone up, so has the fees in order to mint your NFTs. Now, some different marketplaces have different approaches, and I will go through them as we go through the process of actually minting an NFT together in this course. Following that, you will select the NFT you wish to sell from the ones that you have minted, and you begin selling it and promoting it via social media. So you can list it on a marketplace, but additionally, you have the opportunity to start promoting it via your social media channels, whether it's on Facebook, whether it's on Instagram, whether it's on Twitter, whether it's on any social media options that you have. You have a way of letting people know that this NFT is available for sale. So what you're doing is you're using the marketplace, and people go to the marketplace to buy NFTs, but you're also helping the marketplace by promoting yourself the NFTs that you have for sale. And step number 6, buyers will bid on your NFT. And if a buyer reaches the price you want and buys your NFT, you will receive the payment to your wallet. So your NFT at that point will have been sold to the person that bought it, and you will receive the payment deposited into your wallet. In the next lesson, I'm going to tell you how to install MetaMask, which will be essential for you to be able to do this entire process of buying, creating, and selling your NFTs.